Hello everybody and welcome to 263 Bees. I am son of one. This is my second video today, January 28th. This is my holly hive and we're checking her out today to see where she sits as far as production so far as new bees. We are trying to get her in the process of growing. They've been eating, they've been flying, bringing in some pollen. Not like my main hive yet though, but they are bringing in some. They're bringing in some. They're working it. See how they're doing with their new home. See if they're doing any pulling of honey, not honey, but wax on any more frames. So let's just give them a little juice of a smoke. And they're buzzing me already. Alright, let's take this pollen patty up. Come on, girls, cooperate. I don't think you're over there yet, building. So, let's see what we get here. They're not messing with the new frames yet. Looks like they might have been picking some. I don't know if they've been pulling. We'll see. Nope, they're just picking at the wax. Wondering why I'm taking it out the hive. These girls, they have been an interesting journey, these two. This one right here, being in a late season. Most of the ones I've heard about that were caught in October and November have actually have expired. She's not filling up anything on this hive other than they're doing honey and pollen, which is good. They're maintaining. I figured I'd take them out that plastic nuke because it was a bit cold there for a while and I was worried about them once they got the 5 frames that they're going to be maintaining temperature. Okay, so we got these girls. Like this is a frame mostly of brood and honey. So stores. Okay, we got a lot of milk brood in there, back filling in there. They're not filling it up with honey. So she's doing good there. Ooh, almost dropped the frame. That wouldn't have been a pretty sight right now. I don't see her. I don't see deformed wings. I see a lot of different stages of larvae in the open holes. So they're maintaining, which is good. They'll be growing here. Have me some more girls soon. Don't know how long, but they should be popping soon because they're filling in the holes with more brood. So that means we are trucking along pretty good here for these girls. And I don't know what breed they are because they were wild caught. Showed up on my doorstep, almost literally. Tree in my front yard, where I now have a swarm trap set. And these are different stages of brood. And some popped out, a bunch of new little girls on here. I see them fuzzies. I'm seeing my fuzzies. I love seeing when they pop out though. See if I can see my queen. May hive's a little harder to find the queen because she's got a bigger brood. Oh yeah, these girls, different stages. She's still going. She's doing a good job. I'd love to see her drop in the cell, but she hasn't shown me that yet. I've seen her walking, but I've never seen her drop in a cell yet. But I see she does it. And this frame here is all natural comb, so I got to be careful how I go and turn that baby. All right. Yeah, they haven't pulled out into the extra 6 frames I have yet. I'm wishing they would, but they're working that way. They're working that way. This is all honey. There's all honey in stores, pollen. What we got on the back? Nothing on the back. All right, so that's actually a pretty quick inspection. Let me back through again, see if I can see Miss Holly in here. She usually pops her head out, shows me she's all right. Yeah, this is old. This was an old from a cutout. This portion of the wax, and then they built their own coming along over here. Where we go? I don't see no boys yet. Not even any drone brood. All right, Miss Holly, where you at? They all have a nice sheen to them. They're not being nasty yet today. I always try to look for a reticle when I'm looking for them, but I never really see one that often. Because she just does what she wants to do, how she wants to do it. There's no real, doesn't seem like there's a real posse that follows her like a reticle. So sometimes it's getting more numbers in here, so she's starting to make it where it's harder to, oh, there she is. There she is. Miss Pretty. Miss Pretty looking for a cell to lay in. Yeah, she's pretty. She started off looking tiger stripe, but now she's a dark caramel. Pretty girl. I wish I would have brought my pen today. I should be marking her. Yeah. I know you're aggravated. We're dropping you guys back in. I didn't have to use much smoke on you. That's good. It was a quick inspection. Now you guys get bigger, it's not gonna be so quick. Now I may have to smoke a little bit on top to get the doggone patty in there, back on there. Or I can just leave it where it's at. Get off my hand. This wax here was from some rendered wax, some burr comb, and propolis I've been scraping off. And they're not wanting that. They're not wanting to move. Come on, girls. There, we're finally getting a little more smoke up there. Oops. Well, I guess it's going to be all open patty. Fell off the wax. Get rid of some of that out of there for them. Come on. Move. Move. You gotta help me. I'm helping you. Alright, guys. So that's my holly hive. I'm looking to hopefully gather some more swarms this year, but as of right now, we are sitting on 2 good hives. I've only got a couple frames, 3 frames of brood in here right now. Hoping that they start picking up. Miss Holly picks up. Like I said, I don't know what breed she is. Apparently, the May hive has a lot more of the Italian tendency. Maybe these girls have a little Carnolian with them, but they are they're maintaining. I'm hoping to start seeing the numbers grow. So if you guys have been to my channel before, thank you for coming back. If you're new to the channel, like what you see, give me a thumbs up, like me, ring the bell for notifications, and share so that my channel will grow. I'm sitting right now, I'm sitting at 92 subs, and thankful for every one of the people who have subbed to my channel. I can't say guys, I don't know if they're guys or women right now. I haven't figured how to figure those out. But I'm growing, heading into my 2nd season, and have been enjoying the time I spend with these bees. They are a blessing in a lot of ways, and I'm hoping that this year I'll have 4 by splits, and possibly more if, and I say if, I'm able to get any swarms this year. Like I said, I can't count swarms until they're in my hives and have stayed and are growing. So remember, if you're reaching up to learn more, reach back down to share that information with other people that are below you and bring them up. All the information we gather, collect. Sometimes we hear a lot of stuff in videos that are wives' tales, and sometimes wives' tales are true, but other times they're just what they are, wives' tales. And so we got to take everything and evaluate it, experiment with it. Be citizen scientists, work in your own yard, figure these things out, see if it works for you. If it works for you in your area, then you have achieved something to share with somebody else that could try that. Doesn't mean it's going to work for that person you're telling, because it depends on their climate and their region, floral sources, nectar sources. Things change in many ways, many places. So keep that in mind when you share that, this is how you do, not that it's the only way to do it. So, as I always say, be good, behave, and be hive. And I'll see you in the next video or live chat.